In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Descent G1 Series dive computer watch. We recommend charging your device for at least 2 hours before your first dive. Then, press and hold the light button on the top left to power on your watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Then, press the Start/Stop button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Dive application on your smartphone, scanning this barcode will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Dive application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Dive app. If you have already set up the Garmin Connect app, the Dive app will recognize your account and you can select Continue. Otherwise, select Sign In or Create Account. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Now select Add, followed by Devices to connect the app with your watch. When the app recognizes your watch, select Connect It. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to match on the Garmin Dive app. Select Pair. Then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. Once set up, the Garmin Dive app will check for updates for your device and install them. Once your download is complete, your watch will prompt you to finish the installation. To finish setup, read through the watch terms and conditions. Then press down to accept. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. And that's it. Your Garmin Descent G1 Series dive computer watch is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.